Go! Go, Cole! Nice. Oh, just a little too far in front. Nice job. Way to center it. Two hands. Here we go. Dump it in. Oh, good job, Nico. Yes, do it again. Good job, Nico. Ooh, get in front. There it is. Oh, come on, guys. Oh, almost. Get back. Good job, Nikki. Look around. Look around. Good job, Nikki. Get back, guys. Back check. Back check. Nice job, Nico. Way to bump him. Nice job. That's good D. Yeah, good D, Nico. I'm liking Nico on D. He's like bumping him off the puck, lifting sticks. That's good stuff. All right, get back on D, you guys. Get back, Nico. Get back, get back. Ooh, Nico might end up with a penalty if he keeps this up.